We were just talking about some of the great initiatives that you were putting together, also looking at, female investors and some of your female clients.
Yes.
Have you seen in the last 10, 15, I think you've been at Goldman's, you were telling me like 17, 18 years,
I joined
right?
21 years ago,
Okay,
yes.
21 years ago. In those 21 years, have women started investing more? Do you see more, female, either head of family offices or actually managing their money or actually, investors that want to come in the market?
Absolutely. So, we've been very focused on this theme of women, wealth generation, not just controlling wealth, but also generating wealth for quite a number of years. So we just recently hosted our 3rd annual Women in Wealth Forum. As you mentioned, we had 130 clients. And, what's interesting about that cross-section of women is it's, heads of family offices, it's entrepreneurs, it's women from tech, from fashion, from the arts. And so it's really an opportunity for us to try to convene a way for these, leading females in their sectors to be able to create a community and talk about some of these ideas, passions and technical content. They're very hungry for technical content, but I think they also want to be part of an ecosystem. And so for us at Goldman Sachs, trying to strengthen those relationships with that female community is a very important initiative for us.
Do female invest differently to men? I keep on remembering like 5, 6 years ago, Christine Lagarde saying, well, if Lehman's, brothers was Lehman sisters, it may have gone differently.
Well, I think when we look at our female client base, we actually did a survey in the US in 2017, and we asked both our male and our female advisors to canvass their female clients and see what observations came out of it. And it was really very interesting. 88% of those women were over the age of 50. 75% of those women had low to medium investment expertise. But what's important about that is even if women begin their financial journey there, they're very methodical consumers of financial products. So they really embark on a process with their advisor to try to get into the depth of the offering and really understand what it is that they're looking at. So they become very educated consumers of it. But I think they do think about it a little bit differently. I think we found from that survey that actually only 10% of the discussion was investment related, and even within that 10%, they're less interested in how their performance beats the benchmark. They're much more interested in how it meets their financial goals. And then alongside that is the demand for qualitative content, wealth planning, estate planning, generational wealth transfer. So it's a very interesting dynamic and one that we're keen to be in front of.